Hi, my little shardies. Welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Art Online. Today I'm doing another book flip through. This one is going to be Flowerscape, which is a botanical coloring book by Maggie Enterrios. I really hope I pronounced her last name correctly. This is the cutest little book. I'm sure you guys will agree when I go ahead and flip through it. The paper is so thick. It reminds me a lot of Kirby Rosanes books. I'm sure you'll be able to use maybe even some light watercolor in it. So as you can see, it's a pretty thick book. It says, color your way through a world of gorgeous florals, discover an enchanting array of floral varieties, and immerse yourself in nature with this collection of lush, calming illustrations. Delight in designs and weave botanicals with geometric patterns, delicate butterflies, and other natural treasures. Let your creativity blossom. And I'm going to go ahead and put music on for the duration of this flip through. But I do want to let you know that one of the things that I really love about this book is some of the pages are a little more intricate and some are a little more basic. I really like the combination of images in this book for that reason. Sometimes I feel like doing something a little more intricate and sometimes I don't want to do a whole lot. So I love the fact that it's got a little bit of both in it. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. All right, everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this flip through of Flowerscape by Maggie Enterrios. I absolutely love the fact that each of the flowers are named in there, so it makes it great for reference, and I think I'll actually be coloring this book and using it for reference for my other coloring books. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.